Welcome to our tutorial on how to buy stock on Webull. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of purchasing stocks using the Webull trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this tutorial will help you navigate the app and make your first purchase with ease. First, you need to set up your Webull account. If you haven't done so already, download the Webull app from your app store and create an account. Make sure to complete any necessary identity verification steps. Once your account is set up, you will need to fund it. Tap on the Deposit option to transfer money from your bank account into your Webull account. Remember, you can only buy stock once your account has been funded. Next, let's look for the stock you want to buy. Open the Webull app and go to the Market section. You can search for stocks by name or ticker symbol. Once you find the stock, tap on it to see more details. Here, you will find essential information such as the current price, market trends, and historical data. When you are ready to proceed, click on the Trade button to enter the order screen. Now, it's time to make your purchase. Select the type of order you want to make, such as a market or limit order. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy and review the estimated total cost. Once you are satisfied with your order, confirm the purchase. Congratulations, you have successfully bought stock on Webull. Be sure to monitor your investment and stay informed about market changes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.